Hey everybody, I'm Charles Yarber, this is Serena Norris, and that's Nate Robbins, and we're with Fixated Real Estate. We're a high volume fix and flip company here in the Seattle, Washington area. Now we bought a lot of properties over the years, but the number one partner that we love to work with the most is Heaton Dainard. Why do we love working with Heaton Dainard? Heaton Dainard, I know when it comes to acquisitions, they've vetted out the property, they've brought us an entire package, they've shown us all the details with pictures, the P&L, the profit loss sheet, they show us even suggested repairs, what to do to be able to get the best after repair value for the property. So I know going into it, I might not even need to walk the house to know if I want to buy it or not. Second, once we purchase it, every time we buy it, they actually support you throughout the construction process as much as possible to make sure that you can hit the numbers that you're looking for your current ROI for what you want on your properties. That's the most important thing when investing, is that you want to actually make money on the deals that you're investing in, and they help you do that. Last but not least, my favorite part, and same with the team, is that we know that they put their money where their mouth is. So when they send us a deal, whether we buy it or not, or whatever, right? Even if somebody else doesn't buy it, I know that Heaton Dainard will close on that deal. They do not tie up deals, and they do not sell properties to investors like us unless they're willing to buy it themselves. And I've worked with them for many years, and I've seen them do that firsthand more than once. So if you're new to investing, they're definitely awesome to work with. And if you're an experienced investor like us, they're one of the favorite people that we love to work with every single day. In fact, we just bought this house from them here, and look how beautiful it is. It's already almost done, rotted out beams and everything. It smells like money in here, and we know that you guys can smell it too. So hopefully you guys will smell the money that Heaton Dainard brings to you on your next deal.